Gusto mo na siya character. Si Juan, napatalo siya na ito. Nabida mo siya. The third from the ano. What can you say about character? Interactive na kanila. Anyway, kaya nga, I don't like to become kining traditional speaker. Usa man ang character doon. Usa man ang yung kasulti regarding character. Dapat, usa man. Dapat, sige, okay, hindi ba? Sige, sige ma'am. Dito. What is your name?
Daisy.
Daisy, okay?
Character for me is any sarili ko po na na kaya kong maabot to na tinutulungan ako ng Panginoon. Yan po.
Yeah, you have the positive, no? Positive side, no? So today is an episode of your fruitful diligence to walk up in the stage and receive your medals, no? And I am so thankful for allowing me to talk to you about today's event, so that we bring you to my expertise talking about our theme for today, Kabataang Pilipino para sa matatag na kinabukasan ng bagong Pilipino. And according to, kasi idol ko si Dr. Jose Rizal, I was also a graduate of Dr. Jose Rizal School of Medicine, Xavier University, Ateneo de Cagayan, as a Doctor of Medicine. Once said, ang kabataan ang pag-asa ng bayan. So maybe Ashaira, ano ang ibig sabihin ng statement ni of our national hero then?
It's me, Dr. Jose Rizal. Ay, kami mga